Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are doing very well. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the most important update, that is the latest update we have received from TCS. So TCS has started rolling out the offer letters. So many of the candidates have received their offer letter yesterday and many are going to get it in the upcoming days. So in this video we are going to discuss about the complete details, that what is the mail which the students have got, what about the batches who are receiving the offer letters, and if you have didn't received, does it means that are you rejected, or how long should you wait in order to get your offer letter. So we are going to discuss all of these details in this video. Make sure to watch the video till complete end. But before starting, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, as we regularly upload on campus drives as well as off campus drives related videos on our channel. We upload onboarding related queries answers on our channel. So if you have not checked that, make sure to check the recent videos, and there are many companies which are hiring currently and we regularly upload off campus drives. So let's start with our today's discussion. So first of all, we are going to see the mail that the students have received which is related to offer letter, and I would suggest you, if you have not even got the mail, make sure that you check your NextStep portal, as sometimes it happens that offer letters get released and mail sometimes not comes to the students. So that is why just check your NextStep portal once, that you might have got your offer letter. So let's see what is the mail that the students have got. So dear associate, congratulations, we are delighted to inform you that you have been successfully completed our initial selection process. We are pleased to share the TCS offer letter with you. Your offer letter is available to in your NextStep account. Follow the instructions given below to accept your offer letter. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to connect to the internet and click on the given link. Log into the system using your login credentials. To accept the offer letter, click on offer letter. Click on I accept button to accept the offer. Once you accept the offer, you can download the same. So what you need to do is, one thing you have to take care is that there is a deadline of 7 days. So whenever you get an offer letter from TCS mainly, you should accept it within 7 days only. So just that is why I'm suggesting you just check your NextStep portal once. If you can see that your offer letter is generated, try accepting that. And there are many candidates who have the doubt that whether if we will accept the offer letter, our bond period will start or not. No, it is not like so. Your bond period will only start when you will join the company from first day, and your employee number will get generated. If you accept this offer letter, your bond will not be started. It is just that you have accepted the offer letter. So this was the main information, that the TCS has started releasing offer letters. You may also get it soon, and you can check your status in NextStep portals. So what about the next thing, that which batch is mainly receiving this? So mainly the students who has given their test, who are from 2022 and 2023 batch, are receiving this, and who had their interviews like 2 or 1 month back, they are receiving this. And it might be possible that two candidates who have given the interviews on the same day, one of them might have got the mail and the other one not. So this does not mean that the other one is rejected. This only means that the one who has got the mail might have been processed in the first batch, and the other might be processed in the next batches. So if your HR and TR interviews went well, you will definitely get the offer letter. So this does not mean in any way that if you have not received this mail, you are rejected. So don't be worried about it. Now, how long should you wait? So I would suggest that since they are receiving the mails, they have started releasing the mails. So in order to release all the mails, I would suggest they will take almost 10 days. So you should either wait to from 5 to 10 December to get your mail. So if you are not getting until then, you can send an update to them that what about my performance, I need an update. So you can send a follow-up mail to them and ask your update. So with this, we have discussed all the queries. If you have any more queries, you can ask in the comment section. And there are many students who have recently joined the company, and there are some who are waiting for joining. So they can all guide you and clear your doubts. You can also join us on different social media platforms. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all the regular updates. Thanks for watching.
If you have not followed us on Instagram yet, please follow, as we regularly post updates on our Instagram channel. You can also ask your doubts in the DM section. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to our Telegram channel, please go ahead and subscribe to it. You will get all the relevant links in the description box.